Hi, boys and girls. This is Miss Green. Welcome to our science lesson. Today we are working on Module 7, Lessons 10 and 11. We are still talking about the different types of soil, which we talked about clay, silt, and sand. There are many differences between these three types of soils, but one thing is how they feel and how they look. Sand is usually yellow or white in color and it's very gritty. Okay. Clay is usually very smooth and kind of sticky when it's wet. And then silt, which can also be called humus, okay, is very powdery in the way it feels. Well, there are reasons why sand feels grainy, clay feels sticky, and silt feels powdery. It's because the particles or the little tiny pieces inside of it are different sizes, okay? Sand, for example, has the largest particles, okay? That means each grain is bigger than the grains of clay or silt, which is why it feels gritty whenever you move it in your hands, because you're feeling all those individual particles when you rub it against your skin. Okay, silt, all the way over here to the right, its particles are slightly smaller than sand, okay, but it's bigger than clay. All right, but silt is very fine, okay, so when you rub it in your hands, it feels kind of powdery, okay. And clay's particles, if you look at the picture in the middle, its particles are so tiny, tiny, tiny that's why it feels sticky when water is added to it. You can't even feel the individual particles in clay because they are so small. Let's see if you can identify the different types of soil. Okay, we can identify them by their color or by how they feel or just by how they look. Okay, this soil over here is red in color, reddish orange. Which type of soil is red or orange in color? If you said clay, you would be correct. Now let's look at the middle picture. We've got a very fine, kind of powdery looking soil here, and it's black or brown in color. Which type of soil is that? You're right. That would be silt or humus, which is what we often use to plant things. And then all the way on the right, we've got this yellowish soil. What type of soil is yellow in color? Sand. You're right. And sand has the largest particles, which is why it feels grainy when you touch it. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Good luck as you work on your assignments, and you're also going to be going through an investigation of the different types of soils in your Canvas module. We will see you soon. Bye-bye.